Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're in a 2018 Can-Am Maverick X3 Turbo R. This one has power steering issues. With the key off, when you try to steer, it binds like this. It's not supposed to do that with the key off, and it does that with the engine on also, and it says check DPS. Right there, check DPS, dynamic power steering. In this video we're gonna just show you how to remove the module so you could send it to us for repair. Stay tuned. Here's the DPS module. To disconnect this connector, you gotta pry this little tab off. I already did that. And then push on this tab, wiggle it loose, get that up out of the way. And this thing is held, so all we need from you is this module right here. So from this crack over to the left, not the right side. That's the gear portion. So it's held on with 5 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's one right back here. Already got this one removed. Right here. It is a T25 Torx. Let's go ahead and get them pulled off. Once you have it out like this, take this wire, push on this tab right here, pull it out. Alright, this is all we need from you. This motor and controller assembly. If this coupler stayed on the unit, then remove it and keep it. Don't send it. That way it doesn't get lost in the packing supplies. Yeah, we repaired a few of these already, and yeah, send it in. We'll get it fixed for you. We'll save you several $100s over purchasing a replacement unit and getting it programmed in. That wraps it up for this video. Thanks for watching.